Hi, in this video we're going to show you a few new features of Andiamo Places. Let's start by creating a new guide. Now we're going to upload some pictures. Before we do that, we're going to add a folder so we can organize the pictures. Now we're going to go to that folder. It's empty. And now we're going to upload some pictures. Alright, now these are going to be uploaded, and it's important that they have location information as well as a date stamp, and you can ensure that that happens by setting your phone to do that. Now notice this icon on the far top right. I'm going to click on that. You'll see that one of the photos disappears. That's because one of those does not have location and or date. So using that one is not going to give you as many feet. You can still use it, but you won't be able to put it on a map or on a schedule easily. We have to do it manually, basically. So now at this point, another thing you could do, you could rename. Let's do this. Now here, if you wanted to, you could rename the images with a specific, like Munich, and it'll be numbered 1, 2, 3. But we're not going to do that today. Let's see. Now we're back here. Now we're going to use those. Well, before we use them, notice that it says we're in the guide format is user content. That's been the traditional content up until now. But now you have a choice. You can choose photo Mosaic, and what that does is it gives you some features where the software will automatically create information for you. So we're going to create content from photos, and we're going to not use that one. So we're going to use all of these. Okay, notice it created this, and that's why it's called Mosaic. And we click on that and it shows you the images or the photos. You click on that and it shows you in the map. So let's go back. Let's add one more just so you can see how that works. And let's see, we have Munich. Let's use Palermo. Again, we're going to make sure, okay, these are all fine. Click that, click that. All right, and now we have Munich and Palermo. Now, another feature that's new is bucket list. Now, bucket list gives you information about places you've been. So, for example, it tells you which continents you have been and which ones you haven't, the territories you visited. This is Germany and Italy. The cities, and it also has a bucket list, which right now is empty. So let's put some things in the bucket list. So we're going to go back. Several ways of doing it. One easy way is you go to the map and you go to a place you want to go to. Let's say it's Paris. Say it's a specific place in Paris. Okay, here, for example, this one here, and we're going to add it. Notice you can add it as visited or as bucket list. So we're going to add it as a bucket list. Okay, and the other way to do it is you can long press. So that was a press of a point of interest, but if we do a long press, again, we can have a choice of visited or bucket list. Let's put bucket list. Okay, so now we go back. Notice the bucket list Mosaic is there showing the places. In addition, if we go to the bucket list, it'll show you that these are the places. Now, notice the one that we added with the point of interest, because it's a point of interest, it knows exactly what place that is. The other one, we just clicked somewhere on the map, it doesn't know, but you can go in and edit it or enter it a different. Now, another way to add places is by exporting Google Place List. Let's show you what that looks like. So here's Google Maps. If you go to you see there's lists, and you can use an app or a website called Google Takeout to export, and then you can get those on your phone. Now I'm going to show you, I've already exported them, and I'm going to go ahead and import them. And just going to import one simple one here. And I'll put it in the bucket list. Okay, so now if I go to the bucket list, you see the one I just added is there. And if we go to the actual bucket list here, you can see that we added this one in Spain. And oh, another thing I forgot to show you is that this map is interactive, so you can zoom in, you can click on it, and it shows you that it's the continent, the region, and how many cities. So this one is Germany is 1, Italy's 3, and then you can also go to countries you haven't visited, and it tells you what country it is, and the region, or country or region, and the number of cities.